know why I'm out here? You see this box. It's unboxing season. Let's see what we have. I'm supposed to have 4 items in here. One was, I ordered it again. Let me sit down because I am very tired and my back is bothering me, so let's see what we have. Again, I don't like advertising for a company, so they need to hire me so I can be their spokesman. All right, let's look at the first thing that we have on the list. Okay, wow, I expected this to be bigger. All right, this is my Arbequina olive tree. How do you say olive in this Portuguese?
Oliva.
Oliva.
Yeah.
So this is my Arbequina oliva. Mm-hmm. I thought it was going to be taller than this, to be honest, but hey, we're off to a great start. The cool thing with this is I get to plant this in a pot. This is rated for zones 6 to 9. We're in zone 7. Oh, man down. And there she is. I thought I was gonna have to up-pot her, but she's gonna stay in this little cute container for like a month. This tree grows to about, if I'm not mistaken, 10 to 12 feet. We won't get any olives off this for another, it looks like another 3 years. But check her size out right now. I believe she's about less than a foot tall. Again, this is the Arbequina olive. It produces, the olives turn green. They start off green and then they turn black. So this is where she's gonna stay. I did bring a pot for her, but I didn't expect her to be this teeny. All right, next on the list, another little shorty. Okay, this is my Snowbank White blackberry. I don't know if anyone out here has seen white blackberries before, but this is the Snowbank. And I must say they did a great job of wrapping these up. It looks like either that's a leaf or a flower that's coming. I don't expect this to do anything just yet. I give it until about a year or so. But this is just a little cute baby. I do like the way they wrap things. This is pretty good. Soil's moist. Let's see what she looked like on the bottom. Okay, nice thick root right here. So I am going to up pot these to a bigger pot. Maybe a gallon, 2-gallon pot. And she should be happy in there for at least about a year. So that's number 2. Oh man, this one. Okay, this is my white pineberry strawberry. This is actually the first one I ordered. It came, actually no, this is my second one. They had a special called Pie Day. So on Pie Day, $3.14, that's how much shipping was for no matter what the size, it was $3.14. So I had to jump on that. $3.14 for shipping is not bad at all. All right, check her out. She has a little flower. I'm gonna leave her outside and hope that the flower gets fondled, because that's a strawberry. Now these are the white strawberries also. Looks like we have 2 strawberries on here, or 2 flowers. Here's another one. All right. All right, I'm gonna straighten these out. If you hear, all right, we have one more unboxing. Okay, this is my last one. This is the Arctic White. No, this is the Arctic J nectarine. Bare root. The good thing with bare roots is you can train them yourself. That's a positive thing with it. And it looks like there's, here's the root graft right here, graft union, which means that you plant a tree and you stop like right here. You do not bury this part of the tree. I'm gonna go ahead and plant her in a pot, and then next year she's going over into the food forest. This is a standard tree, so the height will be 12 to 15 feet high, and the width, diameter, 12 to 15 inches also. Excuse me, 12 to 15 feet also. So this is actually a white nectarine. The outside is like a little whitish color, and the inside is white, also with a stone in the middle, or a pit, whatever you want to call it. Some people call it a seed. Water her in. This will be her home. This will be her home for now. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna put her in the food forest. I think I'm gonna put her out front. We just had a last tree removed, a stump removed, and I think she'd go perfect right there in the front yard. Her blooms will be pink color when she's ready. So how tall I'm gonna let this tree grow? I might do her 10 feet and then snip the leader so she won't grow and she'll branch out. All right, that's what I have today for the unboxing. The Argentina. This is the white pine berry, and this right here, this is the white blackberry. All right, thanks for watching. Now I got a mess to clean up.